To connect your DJI Action 5 to your phone, the only thing you need to do is to have the camera turned on and visit the DJI Mimo app. With those two beside, you should see this message pop up and it will ask to join. So just connect it like that. Wait a few seconds. You're gonna have something to accept. And there we go. Nothing to accept now. Sometimes you have to accept something, but that's it. They are now connected. You can hit the camera, transfer your stuff, everything. If you don't see that message when you open the app, maybe you need to reset the connection over here. So we swipe down, we get into the setting gear, and we go down to wireless connection and just reset the connection. It will disconnect it from the previous app or the previous phone, and you will be able to connect it on the app. If you don't see it on the app over here, just restart the app and there we go. So I hope this was helpful.